Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your iPhone is locked, and you're desperately searching for a solution? If you have a MacBook or Mac, how to unlock your iPhone? Whether you've forgotten your passcode or your iPhone is unavailable, grab your iPhone, fire up your Mac, and let's dive into the world of unlocking iPhones. In the first tip, we will show you the step-by-step tutorial to restore iPhone using Finder on Mac. First, you need to connect your iPhone via a USB cable to your Mac. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Please note that if you connect your iPhone directly, your iPhone cannot be recognized by your Mac. Power off your iPhone first. Then, press and hold the volume down button and the side button at the same time. Release buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. On your Mac, the Finder will pop up automatically. You will see this window. Click on the Restore button to erase your iPhone. During this period, please connect to a stable network and wait patiently. After Finder shows your iPhone has been restored to factory settings screen, it means that the restore process is completed. Next, your iPhone will load automatically. Wait for a while, you will see the hello screen. You just need to set up your iPhone and done. In the second tip, we will show you how to use iCloud to erase your iPhone on Mac. Launch Safari, Chrome, or any browser on your Mac. Next, go to iCloud official website. Sign in to your Apple ID. If you don't sign in to your Apple ID and trusted the Mac before, you need to enter the two-factor authentication code. Next, click Find My. Your locked iPhone will be shown here. After updating the location, click the Erase this device button. You need to enter your Apple ID password again to confirm the erase. Next, wait for a while and your iPhone will be restarted. Do the following steps. Then, enter your Apple ID and password. You will regain access to your iPhone. In the last tip, we will recommend a helpful tool, AnyUnlock, to unlock iPhone without passcode. Let's introduce AnyUnlock first. AnyUnlock is an all-in-one iOS locks unlock tool that can help unlock screen passcode, remove Apple ID, bypass MDM and iCloud activation lock, etc. With AnyUnlock, you can bypass iPhone unavailable, security lockout, disable easily and efficiently, or unlock your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. Now, let's show you how to do it. Download and launch AnyUnlock on your Mac. Select Unlock Screen Passcode feature and click Unlock Now. Next, connect your iPhone to your Mac via a USB or USB-C cable. Power off your iPhone and press the volume down and the side button simultaneously to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Next, click to download firmware in AnyUnlock. The time depends on the size of the firmware. Please connect to a stable network and wait patiently. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. AnyUnlock will remove passcode from your iPhone automatically. Please wait for the process. After unlocking, you will see the hello screen on your iPhone. Follow to set up your iPhone, and you will regain access to it. That's all tip. Hope these tips help you solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.